Welcome to Expert Excel with Dr. Chang. For today's episode, we are going to explore how to prevent data entry errors by creating drop-down lists. In this example, the user is asked to fill up the title for a few people. Notice the variations of input for Mr. Having different data for what should be the same logical input would cause trouble later, for example, when you use filters with the data. To fix this issue, the usage of a drop-down list is recommended. To create a drop-down list, the user has to create a data validation rule. To access, click the Data menu. Click on the Data Validation icon. Change the Allow from any value to List. You can fill up the values that are required in the source, in which you can separate each value by the comma. Alternatively, if you have multiple values, it is possible to define in the source the range of cells that you want to use for the drop-down list. This concludes this episode of Expert Excel with Dr. Chang. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you have any Excel questions, please write in the comments below, and see you in the next episode of Expert Excel with Dr. Chang.